Alright guys, I just watched this video, and I think we need to watch this video together. Let's watch this video together. Just watch. Please do it to like, share, and subscribe.
Since the existence of the average Nigerian, he has provided his own water, his own electricity, his own roads, provided his own security, provided his own healthcare. So why should he owe any allegiance to a country that has given him little or nothing? This is why nation building is hard here. This is the reason why the north can be burning up and down here in the south we just continue like no man's business. Everyone seems to understand that Nigeria doesn't care about you, and so why should you care about the sufferings of another person? Abi? See, in a true nation, the bloodshed in Jos, Borno, Benue, the Middle Belt, North, should cause all of us to revolt. The sad policies of integrating repentant terrorists, I'm talking about terrorists who have taken the lives of thousands upon thousands, raped and killed and wiped out entire families into the country, should vex you to your bones, that we all march and say enough is enough. But that one seems not to be the case, because we have no shared values. There's nothing tangible that Nigeria has given to you and me that holds both of us together. And so for the sake of surviving, what we do is that we think of ourselves as small pockets of individuals, me, myself, and I, rather than a nation. And also for the sake of surviving and remaining relevant, we compete with one another, we tear each other down, we fight one another. Even freedom fighters are now fighting themselves online. And our rulers, they like this. They like the divide. They like the division. Because our division constantly empowers them to conquer and take from us. It constantly empowers them to manipulate us and manipulate the system. Twist the arm of justice until another person's pain feels like your own. Then Nigeria will continue to be only a map and never a nation. And the truth is, this change can only begin with people who have the true, honest desire for justice, integrity, and nation building take the position of leadership. And we, as the people, have to ensure that that happens.
Alright, I just finished watching this video. Now I realize why a lot of politicians are fighting against Igbo unity. You know why? Igbo unity is moving as a big force, and this is something that they fear. They hate unity in Nigeria. That is why you see that the Nigerian politicians doesn't mean well for the Nigerian people. All Nigerians is built and raised as a survivor. But Igbo unification has taught us a lot of things, and we've started doing different things entirely. That we don't just fight for individual cause, but we fight for the collective cause of our people outside politics. And you see everybody doing Igbo unification, they are not being funded. And each and every one of us are doing it willingly by ourselves. And this is a big threat. So our position is funding a lot of people to fight against Igbo unification. And that is why I'm employing every sons and daughter of Ndi Igbo. Let's come together. Igbo Nine Igbo Fu. And we must keep fighting. Igbo unity is the goal. Please share this video.